Just a couple more weeks and tickets go on sale for the St. Jude Dream Home Giveaway. Your chance to win a $475,000 home built by Cleveland Custom Homes. It's a modern rustic design in Olmsted Falls. In addition to the house, you also have a chance to win other fabulous prizes like a $10,000 shopping spree from our friends at Northeast Factory Direct. We're here at the West Side Store, Northeast Factory Direct, joined by Alex Nemitz. So great to have you with us, and so glad you're part of the St. Jude Dream Home Giveaway.
Yeah, thank you. It's we're super honored to be a part of this. We've been seeing you guys do this for years and years, and it's such an amazing organization. How they help the kids and the families. It's really just awesome to be a part of. There's a lot of people and a lot of businesses out there that have been really hurt. We've been very fortunate, and that's why we're happy to be able to do that.
$10,000 shopping spree, and you guys are all about value, and that's what the customer is going to get.
Yeah, and the nice thing is $10,000 here is like $20,000 at one of the fancy stores.
What kind of things can people get as part of the shopping spree?
You can get beautiful leather sectionals. We've got bedroom furniture. We have kitchen cabinets. Just about any piece of furniture for your home.
And the variety you have too. You get everything in one place.
Yeah, so that's one of the huge differences between us and everybody else. A lot of stores only have one product line that they sell, and they have to sell it for more. But because we sell, kitchen cabinets, furniture, mattresses, all under one roof, we're able to sell it for a better value because we're not just, stuck to one product.
Tickets for the St. Jude Dream Home go on sale Thursday, February 25th.
It starts at 6 a.m., so set your alarms because tickets go fast. Not only can you win an amazing home, but you can also win $10,000 worth of products from us for your home.